Kama may kira ko.
Che, ano ba king? Ano sa ba king? Kika mo pili.
Vale, no po fa no e makio quase.
Kelly. Mas kangor ave com pouco. Kangor, ave um macaco. Put it in the room.
Papas?
Kangor nga parud away u. Ay sa. Alright guys, there kia koru ngi mak Samoa. Ya, ni daw ay makamaka le. Tisa barefoot bar. Ngayali nga.
That's not far from here. You know where the $2 beach is?
Yeah.
It's close to there, but it's not there.
Oh.
Just close to there. Imiangi ele fialu se vai um.
Malu mai kai.
Fucking up.
Yeah, hoki ai ide away kai.
Yeah, but it's the most dangerous part.
Ile moto solo fia e essa foi le suya ina o música semana yo na fainga manatu ya so ese música lo malie mafanga ele vai no fim le mato la ngona ese pese no oe ia fa amalie e mais va mai que se lele ete ata no solo fa alele ale fia na ata moleva itafa mai dai pesenga Malie, sole fana iba au Tonu ai lo uma faufa Uma ubu osio na Uma malie fo ile papa ingala ngala So ai lo fifia Uma ubu lenti mautanga Se ele lo se me enga kai no pio Inga yo uso mai si sipore ngai ufa akasi Ongi manga kumai lang uka kope kufa ayai Se le le rumanga ka ko ke bawa mai e uma kala e ka fa ama kala le mafuka ka ko mafanga le ngi saka ko pai o le ka kauri le ali ka ko ke ka si ai le alu ma le ngi yo la ko pe ai ku ai se mai ma ho pe ale ai le ngi me se ku pai se ama ko ke pai la ka ko le ai se pre mai ti lo so ba e alu e manga ko mai o ke ka ka ko mo ko pe ala mai ke ai ku amale so le fa i pa au tonu ai lo ma fa Uma ubu osio na Uma malie fo ile papa ingala ngala So I love fifia Uma ubu lendi mafutanga Ese me ule soi fuang Ile teni fifia ile loko koe Oni lea o masa minga ngipanga Yo uso pele ina mafutanga Iya kime faima moko sieng Awawa kele lava yeyo ngako Te ilo ing auso mai Ako sa suka lengi iwa isang Solo halo kumalo pangaw Wayo mga apatulog mga Olam ka lengi sa ele manuma Awako usoy o silia Use fanga o de banga ili musika ili mafay o fangalo inga Wamalie usole fana iba au Tonu ay lo kumafalfa Kuma ubu osio na Wamalie fo ile papa ingala ngala So I love fifia Uma ubulendi mafutanga Wamalie usole fana iba au Tonu I love mafalfa Uma ubu osio na Wamalie fo ile papa ingala ngala So I love fifia Uma ubulendi mafutanga Wamalie usole fana iba au Tonu ai lo ma faufa Uma ubu osio na Wamalie fo ile papa ingala ngala So I love fifia Uma ubu lendi mafutanga
is Autso. Autso village. Oh yeah. Ay nga, nga yan ko po eh. I just thought you building a house here. Alright, we made it here in Alinga. Tisa Barefoot Bar. Gonna be my first time here. Ja, leo afat ko luinge ya mik Samoa. May ka fao ide. Ka fanga le Tisa Barefoot Bar. I kukuila le mu leo Alinga. Ja, le foringa me le fa fianga ila rui. Oh, very nice. Sorry. Ay, sa hari pa.
Yeah, I was like, so you guys can go through, I mean, you can leave your stuff over if you guys can take the water. Or, like, oh, you're so
What is this? Oh, wait.
Nilo, can you love that?
What me? Hey.
If anyone
It's
swimming today,
Candyman.
we need to stay really close. We've got a very strong current forming in the deep. And you guys can go in that little valley over there.
We can go sit over there.
Yeah,
You can see that.
you can join them. Yeah, bring some more chairs over here. Sit and relax.
Alright, the man of the house.
Yes.
Because she wants to feel a colada.
Yes, let's organise that.
But yeah, take a look around.
It's actually nice. This is my first time here.
Oh, really?
Hey. Don't get so.
I was like, who's that in the water? Okay, so I'm like, oh, they like to come out.
Hey.
Lena, this is the... Oh, so you guys could just sit
Oh, yeah,
around.
oh, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, we can
Oh, and then someone mail snacks.
I was like, open ice box.
Sit around me, yeah. I was when you told me last night, I wasn't like, oh, yeah, I'll be there.
It was like the last minute thing, and I picked them up and we were supposed to go on yesterday. But they ended up going, but they did an auction, so they were thinking about it.
You gonna go swim right now?
Yeah, I mean, it's not that.
It looks calm.
Yeah,
Just
but
be careful.
Yeah, but back there is like, oh,
Yeah, just don't get close to the over there.
the
Like,
riptide.
yeah,
Right there.
yeah, right here, close.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow Kelly.
Yeah, oh,
Okay,
you go.
let's go. Ready, Kelly?
American Samoa and the rest of the world. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Introducing Elite. Check it.
Real. Well, Jameson, I'll get in that. Plus tomorrow's a holiday anyway, so.
body